Hi everyone. In this video we are going to implement how to display the audio and video in the web page. Let's take first one is audio file. Okay. So let's move to the audio. In this audio tag we must use source src. If we use the source src, then automatically the source of the file should be added here. This is how we can put the audio file. And what is the type of the file? Is the audio slash mp3. Okay, the next one is, if you want to see the particular web page what we are going to display, so this is the audio file. So if you add the controls, okay, you can see here, then autoplay, muted, then next one loop. You can follow this. If you are used to run the video, try to use source src sample video. The type of the video it should be video slash w3, and try to end this. Okay, so try to add the controls and autoplay to autoplay. So you must use the width at least 400 pixel to display within the 400 pixel. So this is like controls, autoplay, and width. If you want to use the loop, you can use the loop also. So up to 21 seconds, that will be completely repeated. So this is how we can going to implement this audio and video. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next session.